Hey, welcome to another video for Medical Gear Outfitters. So kind of want to show you what we carry as far as QuikClot here. So a couple of different forms here, and this is really kind of depending on your budget, kind of what your needs are for. So typically our trauma kits are going to come with this combat gauze we're all used to seeing here. So this is going to be 4 yards of combat gauze here. The current expiration date is 2030 on this as I'm filming this right before Thanksgiving. So good dates. We try to keep a fresh box in all the time, so you're getting good dates here. Then you have this EMS Rolled Gauze. So this is 4 yards here, and this is 4 feet. So same material that's in here, it's just less gauze, which makes it cheaper. So therefore, if you wanted to stack this with, say, like the compressed gauze, something like that, you could back this up, start here with your wound packing, and then fill back here with this gauze here, however you want to do it, but this is a cheaper option, especially if you're on a budget, things like that. And typically this is going to work well for you. And as I said, if you want some extra gauze, backfill it with just compressed gauze, S-roll gauze, whatever you like to. We also carry the EMS 4x4 gauze. So this is going to be good for like those head lacks, things like that moderate bleeding that doesn't need a tourniquet, but also you don't want to bust out a full pack of combat gauze for. So to me, I think in those head lacks, even those arm lacerations that are bleeding pretty good, but you're like, I don't want to open up these, I'll open up this, save you some money. So that's what we carry as far as QuikClot. Different budget items, kind of what you're thinking here, depending on your budget. If you're looking for a trauma kit, here or here. If you're looking for a first aid kit, I'll go here. We have all these in stock, ready to ship to you at medicalgearoutfitters.com. And of course, I'll put a link down below.